IT struggles can be frustrating for businesses of all sizes. The range of problems you might face is extensive. Email or phone outages, data not properly backed up, viruses or outdated software. These problems can interrupt your business, impacting productivity, customer trust, and your bottom line. You need someone watching over your systems who can ensure not only that these issues don't occur, but that if they ever should, they are fixed as quickly as possible. With managed IT services from ThinkTech, you get a dedicated team of engineers who specialize in the technology your business relies on without the cost of a full-scale IT department. Available when you need us most, we provide extensive support, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. ThinkTech's team of expert engineers work tirelessly, following industry best practices to automate, manage, and maintain your systems so that when you need them, they're ready for you, because the fewer problems you have, the happier everyone is. Unlimited flat rate support, comprehensive system patching, decreased unplanned downtime, and multi-layer cybersecurity. We offer fixed cost IT management. From everyday problems with email access and software updates to major emergencies like network outages or security breaches, our managed services team will keep your business operating at peak efficiency, all for less than the cost of an in-house IT department. ThinkTech's managed IT services include basic troubleshooting, remote system monitoring, software patch management, network maintenance, cybersecurity solutions, data backup administration, hardware management, IT consulting, and much more. With ThinkTech by your side, you can manage your business knowing that every system will run as needed around the clock. Learn more about how we can help your business at thinktech.net.